Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to track expenses in Apple Numbers using Expense Tracker. Open up Apple Numbers, press New Document, and again, similar to the last video, I will be using the personal budget template. So we have been through this before. So here, this transactions page, this is where you put in all of your expenses. This is how you track your expenses. So you can see here the date, description, and the category. So here you can choose from the categories. These categories correspond to these here. So any information you put in here will affect and alter the table, the graph, and the pie chart. So this is the best way, I think, to track your expenses. Also bear in mind that this is monthly budget. So for February, make sure you caption it. Or something like that. And yeah, start tracking your expenses from the first day of the month to the end of the month, and then simply duplicate one of these, name it, and start putting in the relevant information for that particular month. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.